Good morning, Year 2C. Happy Thursday. So for today in maths, we are going to be doing some problem solving based on measuring in grams. So if we just take one worksheet for today to work through, I'm going to take the 2-star worksheet and I'll just give you a quick example of how to answer one of the questions. Now it's all about reading the scales. So just like we looked in time, you need to see where the dial or the arrow is pointing towards, so which number. So for example, if I had 2 scales here, okay, and one said an object weighed 30 grams, that was placed on top, and one said that it weighed 120 grams when it was placed on top of the scale. Okay, now say if I had an object which I hadn't measured yet, but I know that it weighs less than this object. Let's say, it's a marker pen, okay? So it weighs less than the marker. However, it weighs more than the pencil, or the pen actually, for 30 grams. The pen. So how much do you think this object is going to weigh? Well, we know that it can be any number in between 30 and 120, okay? And you're going to give 3 possible answers. So as long as it's any number which is more than 30 and less than 120, you will get your answer correct. So I might say, for example, it is 40 grams. Or it could be 50 grams, or even 60 grams. Yep. Why could it not be 130 grams? This is incorrect because it is more than the marker. Okay? Now, let's say we have an object which is 45 grams, okay? And we have one which is 75 grams. And again, we know there's an object which weighs more than 45, but less than 75 grams. And you're going to give 3 possible answers. So I might give 50 grams, 60 grams, or 70 grams. Okay? Because we know that these 3 measurements are going to be more than 45 and less than 75.